Okay, miss. That's why I saw your name in here is a guest.
Yes, kind of weird,
I,
right?
I, that's why I also excited. Huh? Why
A new
something with
student,
your
a
name? You
newcomer.
are name. Hello, hello, hello,
Hello,
hello.
welcome as a guest. Yes, I'm a newcomer here, so yeah.
Have
Be
introduced, miss.
do
You
I
have to
need
introduce yourself.
do I need to introduce myself? Okay.
Why? Because you are a guest in here. Just kidding, Miss Hannah.
Okay. No problem. Okay, how are you today? How is it going this week?
Yes, fine, Miss.
Do you
Listen, you're doing well.
do you find any trouble with your lecture or with your lesson? Even with not no even not with my lecture, but with another lecture? No.
Oh, I have something problem with my instructor because my tutor keep give me the email to remind me to uh, do my text.
Oh, test. Wow. As a, oh, he is or she is a good teacher,
He's
right?
very good teacher because
Yes.
every time he asks our text. Only one or two, but sometimes he add until three.
Wow. So ambitious.
Yes, that's right.
Oh,
Other
yeah.
other of subject they haven't started yet to give us the text.
Yeah.
We always at the beginner.
At a beginner?
Yes.
Wow. Sounds good.
Sorry. Yeah. It's not good. What?
Why? You are under pressure because of that? Okay, I think.
Morning, Miss.
Hello, good evening. Who is that?
Bella.
Oh, Zella.
Bella.
Zella just coming. Okay. Have you downloaded the PPT I upload?
Yes, Miss. Oh,
Okay.
just recently.
Uh, Let me remind you about the face-to-face second face-to-face meeting this week. No, next 2 weeks, right? On March 9. Yeah. Do you still remember what we will do? We will do on the second face-to-face meeting.
Presentation.
Yes, the presentation. Have you prepared for that?
Haven't.
Okay, because
Not yet.
it's still a
That's
long way to
honestly.
go. Yeah, you have a lot of time to. Sorry. You have a lot of time to do that. Okay, take it easy.
You mean?
I will not push you guys. Just remind you, friendly. Okay.
If you don't do that, I will punish you.
Yes.
Just the same way.
It's the hidden meaning of my statement. Okay, remember. Okay. And then,
Oh my god.
ya, Mbak Sulinda, Mbak Ike, Mbak Eti, Mbak Anggul, Mbak Jela. How about the others? Do we need to?
Hannah,
Yeah.
I hear is something different with your voice. It is you have coughing or something like that.
Oh, you got it.
Yes.
Yes, because the weather is so unpredictable, so I have a cough, a flu these days. I don't feel so well. Yeah.
Oh, you should take a lot of warm water, miss. Drink a
Yes.
lot of warm water.
Yeah. I already eat some medicine and try to keep drink a warm water. Yeah.
Get well soon, Miss.
Thank you. Thank you, Mbak. Okay, we still wait for another friends. Mbak Dewi, Mbak Elis, Mbak Meliani, Mbak Sri
But
Miyarsi.
her laptop is broken.
Broken?
So she needs to repair. Yes. Then the repairman will come to on tomorrow. So maybe tonight she will use the mobile phone.
Mobile phone.
Already told her when tonight we have a class.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you for informing me. So we can continue our lesson tonight. It is assessing the text, module 7. Okay, before we move on to the module 7, let we review module 6 about understanding complicated sentences part 2. What we have been learned before last week.
Conditional sentence, negative sentence, and inversion.
Yes.
Version.
What we've got about these kind of sentences. How can you differ? What the conclusion you got last week? Do you still remember?
Oh.
Yeah? No answer. Everybody is quiet.
I want
Yeah. Yeah. I'm waiting for your answer.
I want the final sentence is like imagine possible sentence ya Miss.
Yes.
Possible sentence. So when how do I say?
Yeah.
Maybe other people want to give the explain, please.
Yeah.
Conditional sentence is used to speculate about what could happen, what might happen,
Yeah.
and what we wish would happen.
Okay.
And in conditional sentence, there is a word that we can use that is if, supposing, assuming, provided that,
Yeah.
unless,
Yeah.
otherwise, but for.
That's right. How about negative sentences? How about negative sentences?
Negative sentences usually we use hardly, barely,
Like what?
in,
Can you give us the example?
like in the example. Should I make by myself or I just take a look from the book?
Sorry, do I?
Do I make by myself?
Yeah.
Funny of question.
Oh, up to you.
Oh, here this like you can hardly blame me of you didn't like the place. As you were the one who begged me to take you there.
How can we identify it's a negative sentence? There is the word
Hardly.
hardly. Yes.
Yes.
And then how about inversion? Oh no. And then when we found these kind of sentences, then the reality is the opposite from the statement.
Statement.
Always
Yes.
opposite, right? Selalu kebalikan dari kalimat tersebut.
Kalimat.
Yes. And then how about inversion?
Oh,
Membalikan.
Pembalikan apa?
when
Kan biasanya kalau di structure itu subject dan verb. Nah, kalau di
Ya.
inversion itu what is it? We put the verb before the subject.
subject.
For example,
For example, should you require any further information, please contact our office. And we put, if you should require any further information, please contact our office.
yes, because it's a kind of a part of conditional sentence. Yes, that's correct. Do you have any explanation about this? Okay, nobody answers, so I guess that you already understand, and thank you for the explanation because you explained so clearly, and I assume that you really comprehend about this lesson. Okay, then we move on to the module 7. Assessing the text. What does it mean, assessing the text?
Apa sih?
Assessing, assess. What is assess? Assess means
Menilai.
menilai.
Sebuah teks gitu ya.
Yes, menilai atau penilaian, menilai sebuah teks. Apa tujuan untuk menilai sebuah teks? Then here we got the first point to assess the text is to distinguish facts from opinions, because in the text we could find facts and opinions become in one text. So we have to be careful. Okay, and for the second point, we need to identify the author's purpose or writer's intention. Apa sih tujuan penulis menulis teks tersebut? Oke, untuk penjelasan lebih lanjut kita akan move on to the next slide. Fact and opinion. Objectives. The first one, definitely yes, to identify facts in the reading passage and to identify the signal words which declare a fact. So we will learn how to find signal words, kata-kata penanda yang menyatakan sebuah fakta, and to identify signal words which declare an opinion, kata-kata penanda yang menyatakan sebuah opini, and to distinguish, of course, facts from opinions. So before we go deeply, I wanna ask you, what is fact based on your understanding, based your background knowledge? What is fact? Can you explain
Fact is
by your words?
fakta. Maybe in
Fakta.
bahasa, Miss?
No, I mean your explanation. The definition of fact? Can you define what is fact? Well, fact is
Suatu informasi yang memiliki bukti atau apa ya?
bukti or
Fact ya, Miss?
yes, fact.
Fact is the one of information, but that where is the real fact? There is no imagination. like news and then like
Yeah,
news. Yeah, that is fact.
it's a fact. Okay, it could be true. It could be right. Okay, there is another opinion. No. So, thank you for Mbak Etik. So, we can define fact is a statement that we can prove the truth. We can discover the truth. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, in especially in reading passage, uh, the a fact we can contents with the name of people, that and year, a true story, statement that contains statistic element or research. Jadi fakta itu biasanya di dalam reading passage atau bahan bacaan dalam sebuah teks mengandung unsur-unsur terdiri dari nama-nama orang, tanggal dan tahun, berdasarkan kejadian-kejadian nyata dan hasil penelitian. Jadi news could be a fact. News could be a fact. Yes,
No, discover. Yes. News is
could be a fact, but it could be
Yes.
it also could be an
Opinion.
opinion, because the authors can use sometimes can use his or her perspective to the text into the text. Okay, so for this lesson we will try to distinguish fact from opinion. And then, for examples, number 1, if you find the sentence, Taipei is a capital city of Taiwan, is it a fact or no?
Yes,
How do you
that's
think?
fact. That's fact.
Why?
Because in real, Taipei is yes, Taipei is the capital city in Taiwan.
How can you prove it?
There is everybody will talk about that because like apa ya, kayak ibu kotanya gitu, Miss.
Ibu kota.
Yep. Iya, capital city.
Yes, that's a good reason. But
Like Jakarta is mungkin di beberapa surat kabar, di buku-buku mungkin buku-buku sejarah.
and especially in a map, right?
Yes.
In a map, dalam sebuah peta kita langsung bisa mencari bahwa membuktikan bahwa Taipei is a capital city of Taiwan. Okay, that's easy. And number 2, how about this one? Jokowi is the 7th president of Indonesia. Is it fact or not? Are you with me? Is it a fact or not?
Fact.
Why?
Jokowi is the 7th president in Indonesia, right? Yes, it's fact.
How can you prove it?
Because the first is Soekarno, and then the second is Soeharto. The third is B.J. Habibie, right?
Okay, you still remember?
Yep.
Yes, and then,
Abdurrahman Wahid,
yes, and then Gus Dur, and then
Megawati,
Yeah.
SBY,
and
then Joko
and
Widodo.
the last one now is Jokowi.
So
My favorite president.
is the truth. Jokowi is the 7th president of Indonesia. Okay, that's still easy. How about this one? Indonesia proclaimed its independence on August 17 on 1945.
Yes, that's fact.
Why? Can you give me a reason?
Because Indonesia, because we are celebrate our Independence Day
Our Independence
every year.
Day,
Yeah,
every 17th
every
on August.
every 7th August on August every 17th.
Oh, yes.
Our Independence Day.
Okay. That's true. And we can see the history of Indonesia that prove that we become independent on August 17th. Yes, that's correct. And number 4, war is destructive. War is destructive. Is it fact or not? Is it fact or not?
Sorry,
War is destructive.
war is destructive.
Perang itu menghancurkan.
Hancurkan?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Is the fact. Yes. No war is not make a destructive, right?
Like
Okay.
ISIS and
agree.
then
Every war is always
Lebanon,
destructive. Yeah. And number 5, Kalimantan is the biggest island in Asia.
Asia?
Is it correct? Is it the fact?
Yeah. I only know when Kalimantan is the biggest in Indonesia, the biggest of island in Indonesia.
So we cannot
But
prove
not
it
in Asia.
in Asia.
Opinion.
How do you think?
Just
Can
opinion.
you see the map right now?
I think it is a fake news.
It's the fact.
Yes.
Yeah, it's obviously.
Because Indonesia is the biggest of country in the world.
Yes, because
Biggest of the island of in the world.
yes, and it's obviously appear in the map that the size of Kalimantan Island is the biggest from the other island, right?
Yeah.
But no. Are you sure? In Asia, it should be China, right?
In Asia.
Or
Yes.
China.
right?
I mean, maybe in Indonesia, yes, but in Asia, maybe I'm not sure.
We are not sure. Okay, so it could be an
Yes.
opinion. It's not a fact. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your critical thinking. And number 6, China is the most densely populated country in the world. China is the most densely padat populated country in the world.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, that's
Yes,
fact,
that's
right?
a fact.
So, until
Yes,
the government make a policy that a family should be has one child, right?
Yeah.
To decrease the densely populated. Okay. And number 7, the lives of Indonesians are now deeply affected by television. Television.
Yes, Miss.
Are you sure? Are you now deeply affected by television? No. Right? Because we are studying online right now.
Yes.
We are not leaving this lesson, this lecture, because of you want to watch television, the program that you wanna like, you wanna watch, right? Okay, so it could be
Opinion.
an opinion, as it's
Opinion.
not, you cannot put as a fact. Okay. Okay. Until so far, you have any question about this? You have the main idea of fact and of an opinion, right? At least you have a big picture of this. Okay. And what about this? Number 1, Another sentence. Dogs are made of cheese. Dogs are made of cheese. How do you think about this sentence?
Dog.
Dogs
Dog?
are made of cheese.
Sentence, Miss.
Yeah? How
Gimana
about
sentence-nya gimana, Miss?
yes?
Wait.
I try to Test you guys.
You just make by yourself, right?
yeah.
Dog. Sorry. Could you repeat anymore, please?
Dogs are made of cheese.
Excuse me, Miss. Did you mean dog is an animal, right?
How do you think about this sentence? Kind of funny, you think?
Opinion.
Not only opinion, it's really weird. Kind of,
Really?
yeah, it's really strange because in real life we will not find dogs made from cheese, right? Oh my god.
Dog made.
Okay, so
Ini artinya kan anjing terbuat dari keju ya, Miss?
yes,
That is not fake.
yes, it's
Kalau kue berbentuk anjing mungkin.
Ya.
it's obviously
Kue putri salju, Miss.
yeah.
Next time you should say
It's nonsense,
putri salju
right?
is making for the cheese.
Iya. Tidak ada binatang yang terbuat dari makanan. That's nonsense. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we continue. How about this one? The Nile is the longest river in the world.
Yes, here's the fact. The Nile,
Yes.
the longest, the Nile, the longest rivers in the world. Is the fact. Where is the
How
the
do you know
Nile?
that? Is the fact.
Because I can read all in some of storybook of the world. Nile rivers is in the Mesir,
Yeah.
and that is the longest river in the world.
Okay, that's correct. So we can conclude then that how can we distinguish the fact from opinion, because we can prove it from the book that we read, the news, or the program that we watch before. It's we call it a background knowledge. You have a background knowledge about this statement, so you can prove it, right?
Right.
Okay, let's test.
So the clue is we
Yeah.
should more read and read.
Yeah, more read and read. A lot of books.
Because this is reading, you know.
That's true. That's correct. That's right.
Yes, Miss Anggun.
And number 3. How about this one? Cows live underwater.
Impossible.
Impossible. Can you sing that song? Impossible, right? Because cows it lives in
Live in land.
in how to say that, in the surface, right? On the earth, not under water,
Yes.
of
on
course.
the earth,
Yeah, right. And number 4, there are 10 students of reading 3 in UT 2017. Is that right? Is that a fact or no?
Sorry, Miss, could you repeat?
Satu-satu.
Okay, I will read it slowly. There are 10 students of Reading Tree in UT 2017?
Opinion, miss, because we just have 10 students.
10 students?
I
Yeah.
think yes,
I-
10
I-
students.
Correct, right?
I said 10 students.
That is
What's wrong?
fact.
So it's a fact.
But in the slide, say that 11 students.
11? No, I already edited.
Really?
Yes.
But in my slide, it's still
Okay, you
11.
can edit it. Okay, so it's a fact. 10 students of Reading Tree.
But in here only have 7 students. Others 3.
Yeah, sorry.
In here I can see 7 students only. Then where is the other one?
Where is?
The other student in our reading tree.
Maybe they are having that.
Have a that? How could you say that? That's so cruel.
Oh, this eagle.
Yes, that's so rude. Okay, number 5. There are horses alive on the moon. Is that a fact?
No.
No.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Ada sih.
No, right? Even we as a human cannot live on the moon.
Mungkin kudanya
Kuda terbang itu?
Unicorn.
You mean the unicorn?
Berkuda itu ya.
mulai deh.
Maybe,
Kan ini pangeran berkuda mis.
maybe in another word.
Kebanyakan nonton baca dongeng gitu.
Yeah, a myth story, fairy tale.
I
Okay,
like to reading novel.
you can imagine that. Okay, so for this time, please open your book on page 7.5. You can try to identify which one is the fact and which one is opinion or not fact.
I can excuse for a while because I have to prepare my grandma's room first.
Okay, Mbak Etik,
Thank
go
you.
ahead. Who can help me to read exercise 1, number 1? Yeah, 7.5.
Read the text carefully. Yang itu ya, Miss?
Yeah, that one. Okay, go ahead.
Bella.
Yeah,
Bella.
where is your voice?
Identify.
Fact.
Identify which statements are facts based on the text.
Fact.
Yeah, please continue.
Read the text carefully.
Yeah. Have you found the exercise?
Yes.
Okay, continue. Okay. Mbak Jela, can you continue?
Yang mana sih, Miss?
Oke. Halaman 7.5, Mbak. Belum dapat rupanya ya.
Yang one way itu loh, Jel.
Yeah, one way of finding out what people think.
Oh, ini.
Yeah.
identify which statements are fact based on the text.
Okay.
One way of finding out what people think is to take a poll. For example, in September of 1981,
Yes.
when said we're in fashion, the cup up poll asked some women what dress like they preferred. 70% of the women said that the preferred knee length, and only 18% like very short shirt. In sharp contrast, 33% of the 60 apa ya?
60.
60,000
Yeah, 60,000 men.
60,000 men said that they liked the mini skirt, and barely half liked the t-shirt on woman. It seems that the floor-right shirt is very unpopular with everyone. Less than 2% vote for long t-shirt.
Okay, let me see the statements below the text. Number 1. Gallup is a company name that takes polls. Is that fact or not?
Yes. Fact.
Yes, fact.
Where we can find this statement?
In first sentence.
Okay.
In paragraph.
Yeah, in Gallup poll asked some woman in that sentence, right? Okay, so is that fact? Number 1 is that fact. And number 2, the Gallup poll asked both men and women about skirt length in a poll in September of 1981.
Fact.
That's opinion.
A fact. Opinion? Who said opinion?
Fact.
Oh iya bener deh belakangnya fact.
Fact.
A fact, right? In the
In the
sentence too,
second sentence.
right?
Second sentence.
Second sentence.
Yes.
For example, in September of 1981, right? Okay.
Yes.
And number 3, the men respondents were 60,000 and they were asked about their preference in women's skirt length. Is that fact or no?
Fact.
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 Which sentence? Prove it.
In
Fourth sentence.
fourth sentence.
The fifth sentence?
The third.
Five sentence.
5. Sentence 5?
1, 2,
One.
fourth
two,
sentence.
three.
Right?
Yes.
And five.
Yes, yes, yes.
In the
yes.
fifth
Four.
sentence?
Four sentence.
4 in the fourth sentence.
Four sentence.
Okay.
Fourth sentence.
60,000 men said that they like the mini skirt. Okay, that's the fact. And number 4, 70% of the women said that they prefer knee length skirts. 70%. Is it fact or no?
Opinion.
Huh?
Because on
Are you sure?
yes, yes,
Read it carefully.
yes.
Fact, miss.
70% of women said that the
70%
Oh,
of
yeah,
the
yeah.
women says that they prefer kneel.
1, 2,
Third sentence.
3. The third sentence, right? The third sentence.
Third sentence.
Okay, it's the fact. And number 5, it seems that the floor-length skirt is very unpopular with everyone.
Fact.
How do you prove it?
Yes, fact.
In the last sentence,
In the last sentence,
Yes.
it seems that the floor
because
length
only
skirt is very
2%
unpopular
voted
with
for
everyone.
the long skirt.
Well.
Okay, that's a fact. And number 6, 70% is sharp contrast to 33%.
That fact means.
Fact means
The fact?
Fact.
Are you sure?
yeah.
Yes.
In the fourth
Yes.
sentence,
In the fall.
Read it carefully.
For sentence.
In four
In
sentence.
sub contrast,
in
30% of
33% of the
Are you sure?
the floor.
Yes, sir.
Please be careful with the word sharp contrast. Sharp contrast is how to say is a signal word belong to an opinion of the author. Sharp contrast.
Yes.
Opinion.
70% that's no. Yes.
The author try to draw us to agree with his or her opinion. So please be careful. It's not a fact. Okay, not because of the text, not because of we can found in the text, but the words the authors use. We have to identify. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Please underline the word sharp here. And don't forget to remember if you find this kind of sentence in the next exercise, okay? Number 7.
Fake.
33% of the 60,000 men said that they like the mini skirt. Fact or not?
Fake.
That's fact.
How do you know that the fact?
Fourth
You
sentence.
can find in for sentence.
33% of the 60,000 men said that they like the mini skirt.
32% of 60.
Yeah, it is stated in the sentence. Okay. Correct. Okay, so far you have any question?
So far so
So
good.
far so good.
So far so good. Okay. Then we move on to exercise 2. Can you help me to read this sentence, this text? Just
Yes, miss.
start by
Yes.
read the text. The computer is incredibly fast. Mbak Ike or Mbak Anggun?
Yuk, aku dulu.
Yes. Okay, saya miss. Oh, ya udah. Okay.
The computer is incredible fast, accurate, and stupid. People are unbelievably slow, inaccurate, and intelligent. According to economist Leo Chen, for a quarter of a century, electronic engineers have been developing computers. Computers can now perform many ordinary functions quickly and precisely. For example, computers are now depended upon in law, banking, medicine, education, manufacturing, and science. They can report, manage, decide, control, and predict in nearly every field. These are all ordinary functions of the computer. Many computer science experts are now dealing with the extraordinary capabilities of the computer. Can a computer become artificially intelligent? Can computer eventually equal the thinking power of human being? With the direction of a person, computers can create art, they can write music and poetry, they can play chess, prove mathematical theorems, talk with human beings, recognize voice, identify face, and translate language. Activities like these are normally considered factors of intelligence. Perhaps computers will one